To get the most out of your Debank portfolio overview, start by understanding what Debank is and how it works. Debank is a comprehensive crypto asset management platform that allows users to track their portfolios and make informed investment decisions. First, navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see an overview of your portfolio, including the total value of your assets and a breakdown of your holdings. Next, focus on the asset allocation section, which provides a visual representation of your portfolio's composition. This section is crucial for identifying areas where your portfolio may be over or underexposed to specific asset classes. To optimize your portfolio, consider diversification, which is key to managing risk. Aim to spread your investments across a range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, tokens, and other digital assets. Another important aspect of the Debank portfolio overview is the performance tracking feature. This allows you to monitor the historical performance of your assets and make adjustments as needed. Finally, take advantage of Debank's analytics and insights tools, which provide detailed information on market trends and asset performance. By leveraging these tools, you can make more informed investment decisions and optimize your portfolio for long-term success. By following these tips and staying up to date with the latest market trends, you can get the most out of your Debank portfolio overview and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.